Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. With my year of savings, I have $100 in prop money and some saving challenges that I am doing throughout the whole year. So first, we are going to start with the Save Every Friday of 2025. This is created by Mandy's Money_budget on Etsy. And I am going to save the $16 for May 16th. Let's get that colored in. And at the end of the month, after I finish the whole every Friday of that month, I will add it up and put an extra payment towards debt. So that is the $16. It's already almost the end of May already. Jeez Louise. All right, so next we are going to do the save save every week of the month. And this is created by Norella's Budgets. And what I do, I'm saving for my son's senior year, class of 2026. So I am rolling a D8 and save that month for that week. And we got an 8. Perfect. Okay, May been saving a lot of money. So 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, and we're just doing this for the whole year. And then I will put this towards things for his senior year. And next we have this created by Save with Judy. Let me move this out the way. It's bothering me. And this is also save each icon, which is $5. This whole board will save $300. And this also will go towards his senior year. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. Do I have some smaller change? Let me see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's do 7, 8, 9, 10. So let me put this, put this, and grab a 10. Oop, just one 10. And then put this back. All right. Now, let's grab our 5 and put into this challenge. Before I forget, and let's color in another icon. Let's color a flower. Let's do an orange flower. How are you guys doing with your savings? I feel like this month, I don't know. I think starting at the new location I'm at, trying to get acclimated with that. I have not, be honest, last paycheck, I did not sit down and do my budget or anything, but I still feel like I'm on track. My goal today is to film and then write down all my expenses that I spent and all that, so I could be good for this paycheck. Cause yeah, I don't know what happened. Last paycheck, yeah, I was kind of, I don't know. I wasn't in the mood for some reason. All right, so next is Spring Fling. And this is created by Coco Chic Living. And I'm just using this for any spring / summer activities that we're going to do as a family. This weekend we are going to one of our festivals that we always go to every year, get some yummy fair food. So let me put this paper clip on this side. So let me do, see, this is 1, 2, let's do this one for 5, and then this one for 4. So that'd be $9. Goodness, what is all my change? Do I got $1? I don't. Yeah. Let me get some change. I thought I was all set. I guess I'm not. So let's break that 10 there for 2 5s. Grab a 10. All right. And what I say again, $9. Let's do 9. So 5, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. Get in there. All right. Next is our Christmas. And this is created by Miss Chief Managed Budgets in Champagne's Corner. And this is our Santa's Coming to Town. And let's see. I want to put $20 into this challenge. So let's get the calculator. Let's move you out the way. Can you guys see that okay? Hope so. All right. So $20. All right. I think we can finish this page. And we got a 4. So -4. And a 9. And then -9. Okay, $7 left. So $7. What shall we do? I think I'm gonna save these gains for last. That is 3 through 9. That's a rolling save. Let's do one of these. Let's do this one. Okay, that's $3. So -3, $4 left. We can do one more of these. So let's do this one. And that is -3. So that leaves us with $1. So what I'm going to do is just flip to this page and save the $1. Boom, that's $20. All right. Let's clean that up a little bit more. And then -1, boom, $0. Let's put the 20 in here. And next is the save 2025 and 2025. This is created by Nita, the Almost Organized Aisle. And let's see. How much should I put in here? So let's 20, 30. Should I do 35? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yes, let's do 35. So let's do, should I put 35 in here? 35. And the biggest one over here is what, 25? Yeah, so -25. So that leaves us with 10. And we have a 10 here. Perfect. So let's do another green. So 25. And then 10. Let's do this color. Boom, that's $35. Perfect. And this I am saving for my taxes for next year, because I learned my lesson this year that I need to just save a little bit more, which I saved enough, but this year I just want to be ahead of the game. All right. So the last was $7 is going to this challenge I got from Lemon Ivy, and this is School is Cool, save $80. And what I am doing, just starting now, saving for back to school things. So we are going to put this little crayon box for $7. I just love the little sticker challenges. So $7 goes into here. Perfect. And I will have all the creators linked down below. And that is it. That is $100 put into my year of savings. Thanks to everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please feel free to subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.